Welcome! Today I will tell you about how to start a YouTube cash cow channel. Here are the main topics we will talk about in the video. How to find the perfect niche for your channel. How to choose a good channel name. How to find and use popular keywords in your videos for maximum benefit. How to make interesting yet specific videos to attract the audience. How to keep track of all your success by keeping small goals. Let's get started. In this video, you will learn the main points of how to start a cash cow channel. It includes all details regarding the strategy for finding a perfect niche, name of channel, tracking success, and finding popular keywords. Keep watching to know all. Number 1. Find the perfect niche. The first step is to select the niche for your account. There are a variety of options online, and it can be tricky to choose, but you must select the one that best suits you. Following is the list of some of the most popular niches: arts and crafts, life hacks, pet care, cooking and/or baking, relationship help, healthy tips or how to stay healthy. Now, these are suggestions from me. If you don't like these, you may try something else. Maybe those famous ASMR videos? Whatever you choose, just make sure to choose a high-paying niche. Number 2. Choose a good channel name. While choosing a name for your cash cow channel, be creative. Use your creativity to create something unique yet alluring. Remember, creating a successful channel is all about attracting people. Copying and using the old popular is honestly ethically wrong as well. It won't help you rise at all. Number 3. Use popular keywords in your videos to earn the most. Starting a cash cow channel is the easiest part. Using it to earn maximum money is what's hard, but don't worry, I am here for helping you all. Using the most popular keywords, it will help your videos appear at the top when people search. There are a variety of websites online where you can search for popular or most used keywords by the searchers. Just use the ones you get and watch your video viewers increase. Number 4. Make interesting yet specific videos. Remember, viewers, to be successful, make short, specific videos. Your videos should include what you wrote in your video title. Keeping the audience engaged with the videos is a trick, and not everyone can do that. To successfully do it, consider yourself in your audience's shoes and work accordingly. Would you watch a boring, not informative video? Would you be able to fully watch the video created or just skip and end it? Consider all these things while you are creating the video. Number 5. Keep track of your success. Just keep in mind that you aren't going to get millions of views on your first video, unless you get extremely lucky. Set small goals for yourself and work accordingly. First, focus on getting your first 1,000 subscribers. Then, slowly work your way towards 10,000 and upwards. The limits reach infinity. Your sole goal should be to be recognized. As a result, create relevant videos on the most recent and popular topics in your area. Keep up with all the newest news and hot topics in your field. Make a video that is instructional, an assessment, or a perspective. Repeat all the steps one by one to follow the dream of owning a successful cash cow channel in no time. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and press the bell notification.